Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Chrome computer and connecting Wi-Fi. This gets the device online so updates and account sync work. Once done, sign in with your Google account so apps, bookmarks, and settings follow you. Make sure to plug in the power adapter if battery is low, and enable accessibility shortcuts now if you need them. These first actions complete the minimal prerequisites and get you into the Chrome OS desktop, where you can begin using apps and files immediately. You should practice navigating. Press the launcher or search key to open apps and search files. This saves time versus hunting menus. Once done, pin frequently used apps to the shelf and drag windows to the left or right edge to snap them into split view for multitasking. Make sure to open the Files app and confirm Google Drive is mounted so cloud files appear locally. Connecting a USB drive behaves the same way. These steps let you move efficiently and keep data accessible. You finish by customizing settings to match how you work. Adjust display scale, keyboard shortcuts, and sync options so bookmarks and passwords are consistent across devices. Once done, check for system updates in Settings or at Chrome, //settings/help and reboot after updates to apply security fixes. If something goes wrong, like a freeze, try a 10-second press of the power button to force reboot. And make sure important files are backed up to Google Drive before major resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.